This will be the last video for the surface tools. In this video, we will explore two of the evaluation tool, the zebra stripes and the curvature tools. These tools are used to check if there are small changes that are acceptable or how the curvatures are going or that you have created. So let's start with the zebra stripes. If you select this, you will see a number of zebra stripe that is created on the surface. Just by looking at the zebra surface, you will know wherever there are any changes or not. As you see, as the curvatures were on this side, the change size of the zebra stripes were a little were changing as we're going from this portion to this portion to this portion. If there were any small features that were being created, it would be easily visible. You can see the projection, but that was a sketch, so that's why it is not affecting our curvature. So sketches on top of any of the surface features are not visible due to the stress, but other than that, any object created will be. Next, we have the curvature tool. It gives you an idea of where there are different curvatures present. As you can see, as the curvatures were happening at different angles and different radians, the color is changing. Different color means different portions of it. Okay, that's all for the surface tools.